You don't know, you damn well should know. My name is Ragreynolds, and today, comrades, I want to update you about the ongoing furry war. You see, they've killed some of our men, but we will get them back. We have killed more of them than they have of us, and we will continue to do so. Don't just shout at me. Hold on, I will be back.
Thank God Ryan wasn't in here. The reason why I done that thumbs up is because I wanted to look at myself so I knew that he was not in here. And I am excited to show you new things. I have a unicorn and everything. I have an obsession with spaghetti and I love it so much.
Hello! Well, I'm the Cat in the Hat. There's no doubt about that. Want to see a magic trick?
Yes.
Abracadabra-headed Dabra.
Ow!
It worked! It worked! Come on, kid. She is real heavy. Hello, kid. Where a thing, what a thing to... See ya! I don't know who was calling on me or what. I couldn't find them anywhere. I honestly don't remember what I was talking about anymore. So until next time, you're all welcome, society.
Ragreynolds, the coolest lad you'll